So this is the stack, as I said. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna swatch one different product which I don't own yet. I mean, yeah, till now, but now I got my hands on it. So basically it's twin cake liners from CG Beauty. It's still in the packaging box. I'm gonna show you the packaging. They are very cute. The colors are amazing. They are basically neon and pastels. So it is from CG Beauty, and you can find them on Instagram by my CG Beauty. So this is the brand. This is the brand, and I really like neon and pastel shades, and finally I got my hands on it. I'm gonna tell you how to apply these liners. You just need to take some water and dip your brush into it. You can use any brush, be it a painting brush, be it eye makeup brushes, you can use them also. So these are 7 set of liners, which is equal to 14 colors because it is a twin set liner. I'm going to show you how they look once I open it. So guys, these are the liners. I'm trying to stack them up for you. So they are twin cake liners. Yes, I did it, and I don't know ये कब गिर जाएगा. So these are the colors. Blue का shade है, pink का है, orange है, green, purple, yellow, and white and black. So this is the stack. As I said, the names are different. This one is Golgappa, and surprisingly I don't like Golgappa, but I like the color which they have. I'm going to open it up and show it to you. Like each and every liner I'm going to show. So give me a moment, let me open it all. So guys, these are the shades. This one is called Golgappa. It has 2 colors. So this is Jalebi. So this is Sugar Candy. This is called Kala Khatta. This one is Aam Panna. This one is called Kulfi, and I don't know why because it's blue in color, but it's okay. Zebra because it's black and white. So yeah, these were the shades. These are the 7 shades. Let's start. I'm going to show you how to do it, how you can apply the liners. Hydra liners. Basically these are Hydra liners. These are not eyeshadows. So what you need to do is, once you apply it, you need to keep it on your eyes. Don't open it or anything for 5 minutes until they dry. You can also fan it, or you can use fan to dry it out. Let's get started. I have already said much. I really like these liners. I hope I'm able to apply it because I'm not a pro in eye makeup, but I'm trying it out. So let's get started. Before getting started, always use a base for your eyes. Basically this is a concealer, and I'm using it on my eyes so that the color can pop well. So I'm going to do a graphical eyeliner, a basic one. Oh, as I was applying the concealer on my eyes, I forgot to tell you one thing, that directions of how to use these shades, or how to use these Hydra liners are written on the box here. So once you will purchase any of the color, you can see how to use direction and caution and warning on the box. So you are good to go. You don't need any assistance as such, but you can just read it and go through it. एक दो बार maybe गलत हो जाएगा, but then you will get a hold of it. That's what I'm doing right now. So let's get started. Guys, thank you for watching the eye makeup. It is not that perfect, I know, because I'm just trying to learn how to use these Hydra liners, and I'm sure next time when I'm going to do a makeup, I'm going to do a little bit better than this. Right now I've just done a graphical lines, and the best part about graphical lines is they need not to be as perfect as other thing needs to be. So that's what I have done. I have just dipped the brush in the water and mixed it with the pigment, and it came out so well. So that is what I have done right now, and I hope that you enjoyed looking at the video, and I hope that you will order it and create few looks. Do tag me if you are creating any look using these pigmentations, and I really love the colors. I'm yet to use the purple shade and the orange one, and I'm sure I'm gonna do it very soon. The next color you're gonna see on my eye will be purple, I'm sure. I really love the how pigmented they are. I really loved how it came out. So yes, you just need to have a little grip on the brush, and you need not to press it hardly. You need to use the tip of the brush, otherwise it will gonna go, you know, all over your eyes. So that's what I did at the very first go, but then I got the hold of it. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos, and if you have not yet subscribed me, do subscribe me and follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much. Bye.